Welcome to another Cosmopolitan Las Vegas tour. Last time we toured the first floor casino area. If you missed that video, check it out. Links are in the description. This time we're going to show you the second floor, where there's actually a surprising amount of artwork as you walk from the Chelsea Tower to the Boulevard Tower, where the food court and shops are located, with the mind-blowing Chandelier Bar behind it, which is 3 stories tall. If you're new to the channel, the Cosmopolitan is our favorite place to stay when we visit Las Vegas. This 5-star resort is one of, if not the hottest properties on the Strip. Make sure you check out our hotel room and suite tours of the rooms here at Cosmopolitan. During this stay, we toured the 2-story lanai suite with private plunge pool, which is located in the Chelsea Tower. We also have a Chelsea pool and cabana tour. Don't miss it. Previously, we stayed in the incredible wraparound suite with Bellagio fountain view, and also the Terrace 1-bedroom suite with fountain view, both located in the Boulevard Tower with unforgettable views of the Bellagio fountain and the Las Vegas Strip. Links are in the description for the other Cosmopolitan videos. Have you stayed at the Cosmopolitan? Do you want to stay at the Cosmopolitan? Comment and let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos. Stay tuned for more travel stories, tips, and guides. Visit our blog at sandtastictravels.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more adventures. Until next time, safe travels.